This is iPhone Ultra. Apple's first foldable iPhone is finally coming this September, and it could launch with the iPhone 18 Pro series. In this video, we'll take a look at all the latest iPhone Ultra leaks, including its design, display, camera, performance, expected price, and launch date. So make sure you watch until the end, because some of these leaks could completely change what you expect from Apple's next Ultra iPhone. Design. According to the latest leaked dummy units, the iPhone Ultra is expected to have a book-style foldable design. When you open it, it looks short and wide instead of tall and narrow. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone Ultra could be just 4.5mm thick when it's unfolded, and when you fold it, the thickness is expected to be around 9.2 to 9.5mm. That means it could feel incredibly thin when open, while still staying slim and comfortable to hold when closed. If these leaks are true, the iPhone Ultra could become one of Apple's thinnest and most premium-looking iPhones ever. The leaked renders also give us a closer look at the cameras. On the front, the iPhone Ultra is expected to have two selfie cameras, one on the cover display and another on the inner foldable screen, so you can take selfies whether the phone is open or closed. On the back, Apple could use a dual camera setup placed inside a clean, pill-shaped camera module. The camera island also includes an LED flash and a microphone, giving the phone a simple yet premium look. Display. The iPhone Ultra could feature a large 7.8-inch inner foldable display with almost no visible crease, along with a 5.5-inch outer display for quick and everyday use. Apple is also expected to use a custom-designed COE-OLED display. This new display technology allows Apple to make the screen much thinner while maintaining excellent display quality. That's one of the key reasons why the iPhone Ultra is expected to have such a slim design without compromising the large display experience. Camera. Apple is expected to keep things simple but powerful. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone Ultra could feature a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back, giving users high-quality photos with more detail and a wider field of view. The iPhone Ultra is expected to include two 24-megapixel front cameras, one on the inner foldable display and another on the outer cover display. This means you'll get a high-resolution selfie camera whether the phone is folded or unfolded, making the experience more convenient without compromising image quality. Performance. This is where the iPhone Ultra could really stand out. According to the latest leaks, Apple is expected to power the iPhone Ultra with the new A20 Pro chip based on the advanced 2nm process. Combined with 12GB of RAM, this could deliver faster performance, smoother multitasking, and a better gaming experience than ever before. The iPhone Ultra is expected to come in three options: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, giving users plenty of space. Battery life also looks very promising. According to recent leaks, the iPhone Ultra could use a dual-cell battery with a total capacity of around 4,883 mAh. This two-cell design is similar to other premium foldable phones and helps improve power management while fitting inside the slim foldable body. Combined with the efficient A20 Pro chip, users can expect better battery life and improved overall performance throughout the day. Price. According to reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone Ultra could be Apple's most expensive iPhone ever, with a price between $2,300 and $2,500. That would make it a true premium flagship designed for users who want the latest technology. Kuo also says the iPhone Ultra may be announced alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max at Apple's September event. However, unlike the other models, the iPhone Ultra is expected to start shipping about 1 month later. Apple followed a similar strategy with the iPhone X back in 2017, so this wouldn't be the first time. Even with the high price and slightly delayed release, Kuo believes demand will be extremely strong, and the iPhone Ultra could sell out very quickly after pre-orders begin. So these were the latest iPhone Ultra leaks. Which feature are you most excited about? The foldable design, the ultra-thin body, the cameras, or the powerful A20 Pro chip? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple leaks and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.